Hey cutie pies, I'm Typewriter Girl V. Look at my tail that I've did. You heard it? Good. Now my tail has in charge with my notes since. And I'm very loving it with my cutie pie tail. Say, did you wanna touch my light green colored stripes with my tail to hear it? Okay, so all you need to do is put your index finger here and tap on my light green colored stripes. That's it that you can do it. Great job. Now we can show my best friend Magenta R to react to my tail stripe notes. Let's tell my best friend to come here. Say, Magenta R, come here and look at this.
Whoa, I didn't notice that my girlfriend is helping you. That was crazy. But anyways, what is it, V?
Well, R, I have my tail stripes with my notes that my tail has in charge. Do you wanna see and hear it?
Oh boy. Can I see and hear it?
What is the magic word before I can do this?
I don't know that what is the magic word to do this. How am I supposed to do?
Friends, I need your help. I tell Magenta R to say the magic word before I can do this by myself. So here's the question. When someone asking for something, you say, "It is please," or abracadabra? Please, you're right.
Ah yes. Okay, I get it. Can I see it and hear it, please? There is no way. I can feel it touching your stripes notes. I touching C and D. Here it goes. Ha ha ha. That was insane, V. Well guys, I guess that's it for the video. Until then, V?
See you all guys for another video.